Hello, everybody. It is Michael here from My Retirement Trading. And today we are going to talk about one of the newer funds that I'm invested in, TSPY by TappAlpha. But before I get into this, I must state that I am not a financial advisor and that this is for entertainment purposes only. So let's get into it. Well, I'm always in the pursuit of looking for the latest, greatest funds. And I first heard about this T-Spy by TappAlpha on the Income Architects YouTube page. And guy has a lot of great info. And that's why I heard about this first. And I started digging into it a little bit, and I like what I saw. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it in the video, but my position in it right now, I have about 700 shares, and I think my average cost is $24.55, and I've received one distribution so far. So, and I should receive another one this Wednesday coming up, August 6th. So that's where my position is right now in it. So I went to the TappAlpha's website and looked up T-Spy. And when I first got there, they had a window stating that to get the distribution, you had to be on the T-Spy as of August 4th. So I thought that was kind of pretty cool, which is tomorrow. But anyway, I just went over there to look at the basics of the fund. It's $24.32 a share. It's got an expense ratio of 0.68%, which is very good, similar to competitors, maybe better than some. And they got $54 million under asset. And what I thought was really cool is their distribution rate is 14.24%. Well, if the NAV was to say the same, and if you go by the rule of 72, that means your money doubles in 5 years. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I scroll down, I click on the fact sheet, and it says, why invest in T-Spy? Benchmark participation, high income potential, where they sell daily 0 days to expiration options with the goal of generating high levels of income. Enhanced return potential, seeks to capture returns that longer dated cover call strategies may sacrifice, and for reduced volatility. And it says the fund objective, the TappAlpha SPY Growth and Daily Income ETF, the fund seeks current income while maintaining prospects for capital appreciation. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the performance of the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, the SPY, subject to a limit on potential investment gains. And then it says right here, it is designed, T-SPY is designed for growth and income in a dynamic market. In a bear market, it could outperform. In a flat market, it could outperform. In a bull market, it could outperform. But in a bull rally, it could actually underperform. And right here, says that they pay the distributions monthly. And trailing 12-month distribution rate, 14%. And expense fee of 0.68. So looks to be very good so far to me. So I went back to the T-Spy webpage, And scroll down to the bottom. Really good looking website, by the way. And where they talk about the distributions. I've only been in it since June, but I did receive this distribution of 28 cents. And if you look up here, it says upcoming distribution alert, which is, I think this is cool. Invest by August 4th to be eligible for the TSPY's upcoming distribution. So I thought that was cool. So far, 28 cents and 14% distribution is where it's at. And who knows what it'll be, but they're going to declare it tomorrow, August 4th. And looks like it'll pay Wednesday the 6th. So that's pretty exciting. Well, we've looked up a lot of great information, and I believe the fund speaks for itself. So right now, I've got it set to drip where I reinvest the dividends that I receive, and I'm loving the 14% annual yield that they have so far. I hope that keeps up. And one day I plan on completely retiring 100% and turning the drip off and living off the distributions from it. And if y'all are invested in this, leave me a comment or any other covered call ETFs. I'd love to hear from y'all. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. And on that note, until next time, I will catch y'all later.